Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to week 4 of our fabulous English 101 class. This week we are working on drafting our first essay, our Project 1 essay, which is a compare and contrast essay on Agatha Christie's book Murder on the Orient Express. Over the weekend, I've been looking at your thesis statements and they look like they're off to a really good start. I'll be giving feedback on that in just a few days. I'm hoping to have those done by the end of the day on Tuesday. And today in class, we worked on brainstorming some of the evidence we found in our books on Murder on the Orient Express that would support either an argument saying that justice is the theme of the book or revenge is the theme of the book. We did some brainstorming together, made some great lists, and did some thesis work as well. So I'm going to include the recorded lecture on the thesis statement and the prompt in this announcement as well. So make sure that if you weren't in class on Monday, you watch that. On Wednesday, we are going to be fleshing out the body paragraphs of our essay. So please bring your Murder on the Orient Express book to class and a filled out outline so that we can take your ideas and help make them into the essay. We'll be working on topic sentences. We'll be working on incorporating quotes seamlessly within the body of the paragraph. And we'll be working on transitions between one paragraph to the next. So lots of great things coming our way on Wednesday in class. So I look forward to seeing you all then. And if you weren't able to join us in class today, do make sure to watch the recorded lecture I'm linking in the announcements about the thesis statement and the outline itself. That should answer any questions that come up. But if more come up for you, please shoot me an email. I'm here to help.